Mac Life, I've been banned over 10 times on Facebook Marketplace, and you can see I have access here. This is actually one of the newer accounts. I don't think this one's been banned yet, but I'm gonna show you how to get around being banned. Now there is 3 ways. If you've seen the error message, Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you and you're panicking, there's 3 things you can do. Now the very first one is to hit appeal decision. So you should have an option there inside of Facebook Marketplace. You've come to your account, you've tried to log in, maybe you've gone to selling, you manage things, and it's like, oh, what's going on? I'm banned from Facebook Marketplace. There should be an appeal option. If the appeal option's there, make sure you fill it out, and make sure you fill it out with as much detail as possible. The more detail that you put into it, the better. Now, if you've put that in and it still says, unfortunately, we've reached a decision and you're banned from Facebook, don't worry, there's still 3 other things you can do. One of them's kind of the same, but I'll show you. So you can come to this little tab here, and it's best to do it on a computer. You can do it on your phone, but I see better results in getting appeals overturned from your computer. So you want to come to this little thing here, and you want to hit help and support, and you want to come to report a problem. Something went wrong, include in report, include the screenshot. Definitely include the screenshot. Always try and add as much information as possible, like it says here. Choose an area as marketplace and say, hey, my account glitched out. I love marketplace. I use it daily, not just for selling things, but also for buying, da 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 da. Here's some of my listings. If you already have links saved to some of your previous listings, you can put that, or put a link to your profile, put as much information as possible, and then basically send it off. The shitty thing here is most of this is AI, okay? Facebook is a large enough company that they've just decided, unfortunately, customer service isn't worth it. The amount of issues and reports and things they'd get if they had to employ people, they just wouldn't make money. So instead, they just use robots, but a small percentage of these filled out forms end up going through to the actual team. So all you can do is submit, and try and submit every single day. It's not the best option, and it does sound brutal, but that's really the only option that you have. You can also go through Ads Manager, and sometimes if you hit Ads Manager, there'll be an option inside of Ads Manager to schedule a call. And usually this happens after you spend around $100. Maybe you don't want to spend $100, but if you've spent $100 on ads, there's sometimes, not for everyone, but there's sometimes an option to schedule a call. This lets you actually speak with a real person, and multiple times when I've called them, they've been able to help actually fix my marketplace account as well. They have the power to get that done. They say on the call they don't, they say, I'll look into it for you. The next day I wake up, my Facebook marketplace is booming. So you can check that in Ads Manager, look for the option, schedule a call. Now, if that doesn't work and you're like, I need a Facebook marketplace account, you have 2 options. You can do what I've done here on this account. This is a brand new account that I basically warmed up. It's been around for a while because it takes around a year now to get access to Facebook Marketplace. In fact, we already have sort of an issue on this. Okay, more information. We're getting hit with please confirm your mobile number. If you see this error, I'll also tell you how to fix it without stressing. You can simply go, and there's no affiliation here, and what you want to do is you want to download this app. The app's called Hushed, okay? And so inside of Hushed, and you can see my numbers expire, for around $2, you can get a number, and you can verify up to 10 different accounts on Facebook before it will say too many numbers are verified to this. And it costs $2 per number, which is absolutely insane. So you can get 10 accounts verified with a phone number for $2. They can receive messages, and then after a week they'll expire, but you really won't need them anymore anyway. Maybe in the future, if they get locked out, you'll unfortunately lose that account. Now that leaves you with option 3, which is personally my favorite, because if you're like me and you use Facebook Marketplace to sell things, what's the point of sitting around wasting your time each and every day complaining, trying to submit forms, feeling that negative energy, feeling unhappy because Facebook still hasn't reinstated your account? I just buy accounts. In the past, I used to buy accounts and I couldn't find many trusted sellers. So what I started doing was warming up hundreds and hundreds of accounts myself. Now, I actually offer these accounts for sale. This is no push, this is no stress to you, but if you sell on Marketplace and you make money with Facebook Marketplace, whilst you're trying to get your account back, it may be better to just go ahead and buy Facebook Marketplace accounts. You can buy accounts with Marketplace access. I sell them, they have Marketplace access, and you also get the Gmail as well. So you get a brand new Gmail that's not used for anything else. You get the passwords for those as well, so you know you own it 100%. And if you have 10 accounts, then you can use apps like SessionBox and run 10 different Facebook accounts at once for selling, and you're gonna be able to sell as much as you want on Facebook Marketplace. No issue at all. If you want to do that option, you can check the link down below. Otherwise, you can go through here or you can go to Ads Manager and look to schedule that call. I hope this helped you in some way. It's not the best options, but it's the options you've got. Let me know down in the comments if you found another way, and let me know what you got banned for. They usually ban us for the stupidest reasons. Let me know down below.